everyone, this is Boshak here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into our very first Java program. This is perfect if you're just starting out or if you're just curious about how Java works. Let's go take a look. The code might look a little bit scary at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down like a puzzle. This first line creates a class called app. Think of a class like a container that holds your code. In Java, everything lives inside a class. You can name it almost anything, but usually we name it something useful. If you're using a file, the file name usually matches the class name. So if your file is app.java, this works perfectly. This is the main method. It's like the front door of your program. I like to think of it as the stage where everything happens. When Java runs your code, it starts right here. Let's decode this line real quick. Public means everyone can access this method. Static means it belongs to the class, not to an object. Void means it doesn't return anything, like an integer. Main is the name of the method. Java looks for this name to start your program. And inside the parentheses, we have string args. That just means your program can take text input from the command line, but we're not using it here. And throws exception just means, hey, if something goes wrong, we're not handling it here, we're just letting it happen. It's common in starter code. Alright, this is where the fun begins. System.out means talk to the console. Print line means print this line and move to the next one. And hello Boshak is the message we want to show on the terminal. You can change that text to anything you want. Try your name, a meme, or a funny phrase. I'm just going to go and write hello Boshak here. These closing curly braces match the ones we opened earlier. They tell Java where our method and our class end. Think of them like opening and closing doors. When you run this program, it just prints hello Boshak on the console. And that's it. You just ran your first Java program. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment your first program message below. I'd love to see what you print.